Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new, reviewing and slash first impression on the new Makeup Shayla, or should I just say Shayla x Colourpop Proceed with Caution collaboration. This is her second collab, kind of like her third or her second, because she did have her birthday collection, but like her full-on second collaboration with them that was like a collection. This would be it. So I got the PR package, and this is what it looks like, you guys. I'm excited for this. Like, I really loved it. This eye look, or this whole look, everything just really came out really pretty. So yeah, you guys, and anybody who knows me knows that Shayla and I, we're homies, okay? We really are. Like, I freaking love Shayla. Like, she just really motivates me. So I really love just watching her, and I just love how unproblematic she is, because some of these YouTubers are just like, bruh, like, why is something always going on with you? Like, why? So I hope you guys enjoy this look. So let's go ahead and get started. Go best friend, that's my, okay guys, I already have my brows for the most part filled in. I usually leave the front towards the end, and I already have my eyes primed using my Louise base in Rumour 2. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this tutorial. First thing I'm going to be going into is this Proceed with Caution palette, which I'm so excited to try this out. Like, y'all just look at this. Let's go ahead and get started. So, oh, I couldn't find my blending brush. I was just like, where's my brush? Starting out first, I'm gonna first go into the shade Culture, which is in her original Perception palette. Let me zoom y'all in. Hey y'all. Anyway, so I'm gonna go into Culture, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. So after you put that in the crease, after I put that in the crease, I'm gonna go into the shade right here called Maintenance. Go to Maintenance. Oh, this color is pretty. It's pretty. And I'm also putting this in my crease as well too. I'm really just kind of freestyling this look. I really don't know what I'm doing. Like, or I would say I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't know what I want to do. But like, this color is really pretty. This color's pretty. What do I want to do? Just so we put it out there into the atmosphere so you guys already know, I'm doing a cut crease. Now, I don't know what type of cut crease I want to do. And I kind of want to play with this yellow, but then at the same time, I don't. So I'm not sure what I want to do just yet. But I do want to use, I do want to attempt to use this yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I like this. Okay, so I just looked at the color Gloves On, and I don't know, is this a black, or it looks cool. Like, it looks like a black with like a little bit of reflect in it. So I kind of want to put something here. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. Like, when I say I'm really just like, let's see how this look come out at the end. Okay. Ooh, should I do a wing? I haven't done a wing in a long time. I think I might just do a wing, you guys. I think I might just do a wing. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this color here. I don't know. I'm gonna come back to that, because I'm still not sure what I want to do with that just yet. But what I really want to jump into is this color right here called Warning. This color, oh my gosh, this has been on my like radar. Oh my gosh, you guys, this color is so pretty. Like, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this this Gloves On shade. Okay, so then I want to take another brush and blend that. I'm gonna put a little bit of this black like in an angle as well too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ABH Jet Liner, the ABH liner in the color Jet. I think this is the only color they do make now. They used to have it like in pink, yellow, brown. Brown's called sable. I don't think they're making that no more. I think I might put the yellow like in the inner corner. That's what I'm thinking. I believe I can fly. This wing did not come out right. I'm gonna be using the Koko lashes in the style Girl About Town. Yeah, I don't think my wings look the same, but you know what? I really don't care. Anyway, so this is what the lashes look like. Ew, these are cute. And they're large. I mean, you can't always get your wings perfect every time, but you know what? There's some people who can't even do it. So you know what? Let me just be grateful that I was able to even get 2 wings on my eyes. The more and more I look at it, the more and more I dislike it. They look like, I just look like I'm about to fly away. Like, I just do. Like, but it's okay. Lashes to the rescue. Lashes can make any look. Well, that's debatable. Let me not say that. But for the most part, lashes can just about make any look work. I just hope that this look comes out looking well, because you know, I gotta do my best friend justice. And yes, Shayla and I are best friends. Because some people be acting like, do she even know you? First of all, no, but that ain't got nothing to do with me, okay? So let me go ahead and put on my mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega. Is it Omega Lash? Oh, this is not Omega Lash. This is the Velvet Noir. I'm thinking about a whole nother mascara that they sell. Wow. And I told this lady at work yesterday that this was the Omega Lash. But I mean, she already had it in her hand. Like, she was ready to buy it. I just gave her the wrong name. But I mean, who cares? Lash, are you dry? Lash, are you dry? Are you dry? That's how you gotta look when you blow your lash, okay? Don't do it cute. You gotta do it ugly like this. I mean, they not know Flutter Lash Intoxicating. I had to throw away the pair that I've been using because it was time for it to go. I do have another pair, but it's like deep in like my drawers, and I didn't feel like grabbing it, so I just settled for these. My eye look crooked, don't it? Something looks off. Or am I just making things up in my head? Is it just a figment of my imagination? Okay, you guys, so this is the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base, and then I'll be back to show you guys the blush and the lips, okay? Okay, so right now I'm kind of like baking. I love the way like this eye looks. This one not so much. So I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna go into the shade right here, Caution, and I want to put this in my inner corner. I hope this really pops up, because hold up. Yeah, nobody's gonna be able to see that. Well, since I started on this side, let me just do this side. I don't really like that, so we're just gonna go ahead and just sweep you off. Yeah, I mean, I'll use the yellow on another day. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the shade Maintenance, this brown color right here, and I'm gonna smudge this all underneath my lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into Gloves On. Okay, so Jesus. Okay, so I'm trying to do this little like feline cat eye look in the front. It's kind of even. It's not all the way even. Like, I'm looking at it, I'm like, but I feel like if I continue to go, it's gonna just keep getting closer and closer. So I think I'm gonna stop here. Okay, so let's go ahead and sweep off this powder. So she came out with 2 new blushes. One is called Whistle While You Work, and the other one is called Construct. I'm really excited for this Construct shade because this is the brown color. I love brown colored blushes. This is what this one looks like, and they have mirrors as well too. And this one right here is called Whistle While You Work. So I'm gonna start off with the Construct shade, and I'm gonna put it on this side, and I'm gonna put Whistle While You Work on this side, and then I'm just gonna take them and mix them together so that I'm not walking around with like a brown blush and a pink blush. Okay, so using the Morphe E4 brush, just gonna put this on. this is really subtle. This is subtle, so. This is pretty. Oh, let me back up. This color is pretty. And I'm gonna go into the shade Whistle While You Work. Okay, looking at the viewfinder, my blush looks a little heavy, but I'm gonna fix that. This color is pretty. This is a lot more subtle than this one. This one is like, you can really pack it up. I love this one. Like, it has like brown with a little bit of pink in there, so it still looks like blush. This is like straight up pink. I definitely love both of these colors, but let's go ahead and mix this. So I'm gonna go into Whistle While You Work on this side because it looks like this just needs more. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and like kind of shear it down before y'all start saying something, because apparently I put too much blush on. And then for highlighter, I'm just gonna go into Boomin from her original Perception line. Ooh, I love this highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my brows, put some bottom. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my brows off camera. I'm gonna do some bottom mascara, and then I will be back to show you guys the two lip colors. Okay, so these are the two lips that she came out with. I'm gonna try on first. Where is it? Oh. The names, I was here looking all over, they're right here on the front. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the color Speed Up. And this comes with the BFF3 lip liner. This is already part of like their permanent collection. Okay, so this is it with the lip liner on, and I'm gonna take this, and these are ultra satin lips, by the way. This is the color Speed Up. And then I'm gonna go back with the liner and like reline. I will be honest, I'm not too in love with this lip color, like the pink. Like, I can make it work, but I'm really excited for Slow Down. Just because, if anything, I'm excited for the lip liner because it looks just like my NYX Espresso lip liner, and I love that brown a lot. So, but this is what it looks like. All right, now it's time for Slow Down. Y'all, it looks just like espresso. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the lipstick. Ooh, child. I look grown. I look grown and sexy. I'm hot, y'all. Like, when I say I'm hot, like, I'm like actually burning up hot. Okay, I have to put this hair back because I'm hot. Child, I get it. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look with the Slow Down lip liner with the satin lipstick or liquid lipstick, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I love this lip combo. This is like my perfect nude. Like, the liquid lipstick, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Like, the more I'm looking at it, this is shapoppin'. The look overall came out really beautiful, so gorgeous. Shayla, you did an amazing job with this collection. Like, I really love like the theme, like how she stuck. I love 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 how she stayed within the confines of the theme. How she stayed within like the theme of the whole Proceed with Caution, like down to the name of the shadows, the name of the blushes. Like, everything was just like well thought out. Like, a lot of like thought and brain activity looked like it went into this collection. So I really love that. I'm in, like, when I say, I think, okay, let me gather my thoughts. First and foremost, let me just say I absolutely love everything from this collection. Like, for the most part, I love everything. This eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. Like, her first one is always gonna be Bae, but this shade right here is low-key kind of given the other shimmer shades in her palette and her other palette a run for their money, and so is this color right here. Like, I just love the overall color scheme of it. I love the palette. I love the packaging. Like, I like this sturdier packaging. The blushes are gorgeous. I really love this one right here, Construct. I love brown blushes, so this is gorgeous to me, and so is this one too, the Whistle While You Work. BFF3 lip liner is already part of like Colourpop's regular collection. The lip liner color is pretty, but I prefer a little bit more of a deeper brown, so that's why I kind of like the BFF4 a little bit better. So this combo, they were pretty together. This color was pretty. Personally not my favorite. I think I would like the pink a little bit better if I would have used it with the BFF4 lip liner. I think BFF3 in general, that lip liner, I'm not too crazy about it. Like I said, I like for my lip liner the brown to be just a little bit deeper, kind of like the BFF4. This lip combo is bomb. Like usually I love to throw gloss on, but I kind of like the whole, like the matte lip, you know, with a little bit of a shimmer on the eye, the subtle cheeks. Like, I mean, I did the daggone thing, y'all. Like, I look good. Good, let me pose. I really do look good. So I love this collection. If you guys want to shop Colourpop, I will have the link down below. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.